Hi there, my name is Michael, 38 years of age, from Dunoon. I joined YG Fitness about 6 weeks ago now. I've just come to the end of the course. The reason why I joined was I seen a picture of myself in August that I was not happy with, so I thought I need to do something about it. In the local paper an advertisement came up for YG Fitness and I thought I'll look into that. Met Stephen and Michael, who pushed me throughout the 6 weeks, but it wasn't all about exercising, it was about nutrition, which is very important. My end results have been incredible. I've lost about 30 centimetres throughout the body. To me, this is only the beginning, and also anyone out there that wants to lose weight, feel better about themselves, I personally would recommend YG Fitness because you will get results.